Today we're talking about IELTS Writing Task 2, and we're going to take this task and turn it into this introduction. Let's first look at the task together. It reads, in some cultures, children are often told that they can achieve anything if they try hard enough. What are the advantages and disadvantages of giving children this message? Well, the first thing we want to realize is that this is the advantages, disadvantages type. That means our introduction is going to rephrase the topic and answer the question. Our first body paragraph is going to share the advantages and offer support. Our second body paragraph will focus on the disadvantages, and the conclusion will summarize some information from each of those. They are not asking for your opinion here, so we don't need to add it. This is a type of discussion question. So when I answer the question, I don't necessarily need to go into elaborate detail. I can simply say something like this. There are some clear advantages and disadvantages to telling children that they can achieve anything. In terms of details, I'm going to save that for the body paragraphs. But now I want to look at the topic and I want to rephrase some of the key words. So I'll take words like some cultures and say a cultural belief that, achieve anything, make any achievement, try hard enough, with enough effort. So my introduction might look like this. There is a cultural belief that children can make any achievement they want with enough effort. There are some clear advantages and disadvantages to telling children that they can achieve anything. So that's it. It's really short. Remember, the role of the introduction is twofold. One, to rephrase the topic, and two, answer the question. That's why it's really important at first to identify that this was an advantages, disadvantages essay. If you're interested in learning more about writing introductions for the IELTS Writing Task 2, and later you want to see how to put together the body paragraphs with a variety of support, why not hit that subscribe button and check out more videos later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.